Voyage Pro is a full-service media production agency and studio provider based in Arizona. The platform enables businesses and creators to easily explore production services, book dedicated rental studios, and browse extensive video and photography portfolios. Starting on the homepage, visitors are greeted with clear value propositions, current promotional discounts, and quick contact call-to-action buttons designed for immediate client conversion. Below the Hero section, we integrated a streamlined lead intake form with guaranteed response times supported by trust badges and key service highlights. The About section details the agency's history and breaks down their structured four-step approach, from project planning and content strategy to production and post-production execution. Under the Studios tab, creators can browse rental spaces like the Flex, Psych Wall, and Green Screen Studios, complete with transparent hourly rates, set breakdowns, and included audio/lighting equipment lists. In the Video section, potential clients can preview embedded video portfolios organized by service category, ranging from commercial brand videos to events and testimonials. Finally, the Photos section showcases high-resolution galleries across lifestyle, corporate, and product categories, providing a complete overview of Voyage Pro's creative capabilities.
Do you have a similar vision for a game-changing application? Or are you looking to develop a custom platform that pushes the boundaries of technology? We're here to help you build it. Let's turn your idea into the next industry standard. Get in touch with HackerKernel today.